Hello everyone. Hope you are safe and secure during this COVID-19 pandemic situation. I am Rajat Chatterjee, lifestyle management consultant, is here today to share about a wonder herb named spirulina. You will get complete technical information about spirulina which you may not heard earlier. What are the benefits of this wonder herb? How and when to take spirulina? Who should avoid? All this information you will get in this video. So ladies and gentlemen, this video is going to be very informative and interesting. Would request to stay tuned with me till the end. As we all know, in today's difficult time of pandemic, immunity is the talk of the town. Our health is badly getting affected due to unhealthy lifestyle such as eating junk food, smoking and drinking alcohol, late night work schedule, irregular sleeping habit, lack of exercise, sedentary lifestyle and so many other reasons. Spirulina has tremendous benefits and is the most nutritious concentrated whole food known to humankind. So, what is spirulina? Spirulina is a blue-green algae due to the presence of both chlorophyll of green color and phytocyanin in blue color pigments in its cellular structure. It is free-floating filamentous microalgae growing in alkaline water bodies in the range of pH 8 to 11. Research suggests that spirulina has a galaxy of nutrients. It contains 60 different types of essential nutrients. It is rich in 8 types of essential amino acids, 10 types of non-essential amino acids, 15 types of fatty acids, 5 types of antioxidants, 13 types of minerals, 12 types of vitamins, sufficient dietary fiber, pathogen targeting protein and many more. Due to its concentrated nutrition, spirulina was recommended by NASA and the European Space Agency ESA as one of the primary foods during the long-term space missions. Spirulina was recognized as a food safe supplement by GRAS without toxicological effect and was officially approved by the Food and Drug Administration FDA. The United Nations has identified spirulina as the possible best food for the future. Spirulina cell membrane is made of pectin, a soluble dietary fiber. This increases spirulina's digestion rate up to 95%. Therefore, the bioavailability of nutrients from spirulina definitely more than any other food source. Spirulina is an excellent source of protein with a high concentration of 60 to 70% natural protein, which no other natural food source can provide in this earth. It has been stated by NASA that the nutritional value of 1000 kg fruits and vegetables equal to 1 kg of spirulina. Just imagine the power of spirulina, and that's why it is called as superfood. It carries lot of clinical importance as it is used to cure many diseases or disorders. Let's have a look on the most vital 17 benefits of spirulina so that you can understand better the importance of spirulina in our daily life. Number 1. Spirulina can reverse anemia. Number 2. It keeps our body alkaline. Number 3. It controls diabetes mellitus. Number 4. It is excellent protein source. Number 5. It has anti-cancer properties. Number 6. It cures eye diseases. Number 7. It detoxifies heavy metals from our body. Number 8. Powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory property. Number 9. It lowers bad cholesterol and improves good cholesterol. Number 10. Boost immunity system. Number 11. It protects from viral infections. Number 12. It eliminates candida, the bad gut bacteria. Number 13. It improves joint health. Number 14. It is an excellent for anti-aging. Number 15. It improves muscle strength and endurance. Number 16. It controls obesity and weight management. Number 17. It excellent protection from chemotherapy and radiation. Apart from that, there are more health benefits of superfood spirulina which has been identified in different clinical trials also. In the market, you will find more than hundreds of manufacturers of spirulina health supplement. The biggest question is which one is the best quality spirulina for your health. Am I right? Today, I am introducing with you a world-class pure spirulina health supplement from the house of Atomy. The main contributing factor is quality of spirulina. If it not properly harvested or extracted, then contamination of heavy metals, pesticides or other harmful bacteria and fungus can damage our health rather to get proper nutrition. Let me discuss the deciding factors of Atomy spirulina. Number 1. Atomy 100% pure spirulina produced in an ultra pure environment. Atomy uses the patented seawater freeze drying technology to minimize the loss of antioxidants and nutrients due to heat and oxidation. The US patent number for this technology is US 5276977, which you can also check in Google. Atomy is the single company who can provide the best quality spirulina having maximum nutrients by this patented processing technology. Number 2. Atomy spirulina are grown in a 360,000 meter square farm located in Kona, Hawaii in a completely natural climate, whereas other companies follow artificial harvesting process. Spirulina can only tolerate 30 to 40 degrees centigrade temperature for a short period of time. Strong sunlight and low rainfall can help spirulina produce more nutrient. Nutritional value of artificially grown spirulina is very poor. That's why quality of Atomy spirulina is truly unmatchable. Number 3. Odor-free plant-based capsules. Atomy 100% pure spirulina comes in a odor-free plant-based capsule for easy intake. Number 4. Atomy spirulina does not use genetically modified ingredients. If it is made into pills, the absorption reduces. So, Atomy spirulina powder itself is put into capsules to retain the maximum nutrition. Number 5. Atomy spirulina is completely GMO free. Now, how we should take Atomy spirulina? To get optimum nutritional benefits, recommended to take 2 spirulina capsules daily. You can take 1 capsule with water during or after lunch or breakfast and 1 capsule with evening snacks or salad. For better absorption of iron content of spirulina in our body, preferably take with vitamin C enriched food or orange juice or amla juice or lemon juice. As spirulina enriched with vitamins which are very heat sensitive, we must avoid taking with hot foods. Now, who should avoid taking spirulina? Pregnant and lactating women must avoid to take spirulina. Atomy spirulina is a perfect value for money. Absolute quality in absolute price. Really unmatchable. Highly recommendable supplement for your complete family health. So what for are you waiting, my dear friend? Order today Atomy Pure Spirulina as a complete nutrition package which definitely plays major role towards better health in this COVID situation. Thanks everyone for watching my video and would request you to put thumbs up and subscribe my channel for getting future video alerts. Stay in, stay safe, take care. Thank you.